Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Queen Ifrica delivered during her energetic set on Saturday's staging of Fame Frequency Hero Salute. The reggae artist was a great addition to the event's thrilling festivities. Queen Ifrica performed a slew of her hits, much to the delight of the virtual patrons.
What was that? When the roll is call up, Queen Ifrica says she's standing tall up to face the darkest and the hardest of time. We'll be taking care of all of the children thereof. If it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name. I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same.
Queen Ifrica was honored to be a part of Fame Frequency Heroes weekend celebration. The event also featured DJs Denvo, Colin Hines and Donovan Dacus, who all delivered their musical salutes. Fame Frequency continues to be a much-watched virtual event on a Saturday night.
Frequency was high, it was very high, the energy was good, and yes, I am actually a fan of this show. So to be in the spot, I rock it with a female, Nas, I'm modesty.
Reggae singer Jacure will remain in custody until his next court date, scheduled for Monday, October 25. According to the Netherlands Public Prosecution Service, the artist will appear in the council chamber, part of the Amsterdam court. Jacure has been in pre-trial detention for the past 2 weeks following an alleged stabbing incident in the Netherlands. Reports are that the singer allegedly stabbed 45-year-old concert promoter Ricardo Papa Blake in the stomach on October 1 during an incident in Dam Square in the city centre of Amsterdam. The examining judge ordered the artist to be placed on remand for 14 days. That has now been extended for another 7 days. Last Tuesday, this video was shared on Jacure's Instagram account. In his caption, he assured his fans that new music is coming soon. Now, on the international scene, British singer Adele has broken yet another record with her latest release, Easy On Me. The song, which premiered over the weekend, exceeded single-day streaming records, securing 24 million streams in the first 24 hours of release. Set for release November 19. I am Daedran reporting for E Prime.